All right, so this is the Shark Easy Robot Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's open the box and see what we have. So, got what appears to be a stand or base. Have a barcode for the Shark Clean app. We're going to grab that. Here is the actual vacuum itself. Remove that from the bag. There you go. On the bottom layer, there's the base unit. We're going to get all the plastic off it, get it set up, and check it out. All right, so here's what it looks like all set up. It is in the docking station charging right now. It will automatically come to the docking station when it needs to charge. And then once it's fully charged, it's going to set out and make a map of the entire house or the areas that we've set for it to clean. And then it will do its thing. You can set a schedule for it so that it works at a time when you're not home or at other convenient times. And then when you are ready to empty it, you just press this button right here. This side compartment slides out and you empty everything out of there. And then you don't have to empty this on a regular basis because it's going to come back. It's going to take everything that's in it. It's going to put it into the home base here and go out and continue to do its work. So this again is the Shark Easy Robot Self-Emptying Vacuum Cleaner. And we're looking forward to it helping with the dog hair on a daily basis.